Yo, what's going on everyone? It's your boy King J, and today I want to show you through Melon. So Melon is a great way to do podcasts and stuff like that and stream it for free on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms in just 5 clicks. That's kind of crazy, right? Invite guests, screen share, and customize themes, etc. So I was really interested in using this for podcasts. So I thought, let me have a look around. Shout out to the people at Logitech for showcasing this beautiful app to me, because I really wanted to know what else I can use other than the usual. I always like to step outside the box, as you know. So here you can add your own branding and stuff like that, personalize your stream, make it yours by adding a logo, header, overlays, custom backgrounds, running ticker, and more. Stream in 1080p. As a host, you have complete control. So this is like for podcasts. You could go live, literally just click and you're good. On screen, the other person that's on, and you're good to go. You could also stream it to other different platforms, so Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Daily Motion. I don't know who uses Daily Motion right now, but you could use it for that as well. Recording and local recording as well. So if you're streaming or you were doing a podcast, you would record as well. You could do both of that as well. And it's for everyone. It's for podcasters, vloggers, churches, teachers. If you want to teach something, a lot of people in the pandemic was teaching online. You can do that with this as well. One-to-one tutoring and stuff like that. It's perfect for that. And then you got some people saying Melon is a great tool for creators of any kind to get their message and content out there. So it's used as a web-based streaming studio. If you want to go to pricing, this is what you get for free. You get to accept donations, real-time alert from you supporters, streaming limits, up to 2 participants, limited brand customization, branded watermark, a co-host additive. If you want to do the $15 a month, you get all free, plus your logo, no watermark, react, use sounds and alerts during your stream. Up to 6 participants, unlimited streaming, multi-streams, there's 3 destinations, so that'll be 3 different platforms that you can stream to. You can record up to 4 hours per stream, local recording up to 4 hours per stream, upload 1 hour per recorded streams, unlimited branding, logo, overlays, etc., disconnect protection, custom RTMP, 15 days recording storage, upload media files, 150 megabytes limit per file, multiple cameras, and co-host up to 3 seats free. And then 49 months, you can do all the standard, which is here, plus up to 12 participants, multi-stream to unlimited destinations, audio only recording, record up to 10 hours per stream, upload 2 hours pre-recorded streams, local recording up to 10 hours a stream, full HD 1080p, upload media files, 300 megabytes limit per file, co-host up to 5 seats, 30 days recording storage, and priority support. So again, this is it's perfect. And then you have the common questions, because again, I'm going to get into it and show you how it works, but let's get in the common question. Melon is the web-based live streaming app that allows you to invite guests, share your screen, and go live instantly. Stream privately or directly to Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Twitch. Can I stream for free? Yes, the core functions of the app are absolutely free. No credit required, no trial, no string. There is a limit to how much you can stream per month. That limit resets each month, but you can stream for free. Are there any discounts? You can save 20% by signing up for an annual membership. What payment methods do you accept? PayPal and credit card. Can I cancel anytime? Yes. What happens if I cancel as a paying user? Can I still use the service? You will have access to all the pro features for the duration you paid for. Specifically, if you are on a monthly plan and you paid for month 2 and want to cancel in the middle of month 2. You will be able to use Pro for remainder of month 2, and we will not bill you for month 3. Same story for annual. You'll be able to use annual for the rest of the billing period, 1 year, and we will not bill you for year 2. Is there a free trial? You are welcome to use the free plan, which will always be free. There is no trial. Can I pay monthly? You can pay monthly, or you can choose the annual subscription, which is discounted versus monthly, 20% savings, and billed each month. So yeah, this is it. If you want to find out more, you can find out more, but I am now going to get into, let me see the testimonials to see if it's good. Not everyone who needs to do a stream is a tech wizard with a supercomputer. Some people just want simplicity. Streaming to multiple platforms at the same time was a process that used to be cumbersome. Collaborations are so incredibly easy with Melon because they give live streamers such easy access to customizing how they work with on-air guests, screen sharing, and interacting with viewers. I've showed you how the features work. I showed you all of this and how it works and stuff. We're gonna dive straight into it. So first things first, let me register and sign up. Alright, so I want to take you through Melon and show you how it works. So this shows you quite a lot of things on here. It's kind of just showing me the introduction and stuff. Next up is choose a ready-made theme. Cool. There's like a going live in 10 seconds stuff. Let's look. So this is pretty cool. You have loads of different clips that you could use. I'm not looking into that. You can enable green screen, but I don't really want to enable green screen. Please switch your camera resolution to 720 or 1080. So I'll change that in a bit. But yeah, that's like, this is used for like production stuff. Like I would say primarily podcast is a big thing of why I would want to use this, because there's so much things you could do. Like I wrote cool LOL and stuff like that on here as well, but I'm gonna just show you how it works. So here's all the other stuff. Green screen fade. I don't have my screen on here yet, but we're gonna add it on. Okay, cool. So add cam. So I have to do the more monthly feature, which is here. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna show you how Melon works. So obviously you have to make sure that your camera, your microphone, and your sound is okay to be used on here, and you got reset permissions. Also refresh this so that you're able to see it. It's saying that I'm using another application, but I'm using another application so I can record it, so that I can show you how it works. So hopefully this should work. All right, so we're gonna go to video, and we'll go to this. So yeah, and then we choose what we want. It doesn't seem to do it in 60 FPS. It seems like it can do it in 30 FPS, which is okay. And then we have mic. So it's picking up my mic on here as well. But imagine I want to show on stream my camera. Here it is. It's showing it now on the camera. Like this is how it works. And yeah, there's loads of different other stuff as well. So, if you want to see your chat. Private, which is for you and your guests that are on the show, not for the stream. And then the stream is like everyone else. Yeah, so it says nothing to see here. Start chatting with your team. So this is everyone that's on the show, and then your stream is everyone else that you're streaming to. So if you get right to the nitty-gritty of it, that you can stream to wherever. If it's TikTok, Twitch, wherever. Then obviously your schedule is entirely up to you. Your broadcast schedule is safe up. You want to set a schedule, you can do that. Design, you can have backgrounds, overlays. If you wanted to have, I don't know, an overlay like this. So this is like the default Melon one. So you can upload the overlay, max 10 megabytes, background as well, and stuff like that as well. What else could we do? Styles. So there's different types of styles of what you want. It's entirely up to you. Default, rounded, boxy. I like the way how this looks. It's so like, it's such a modern looking way how to do things. So yeah, like for example, the ticker, we'll get rid of the ticker, we'll get rid of the banner as well. The banner could be like something like, I don't know, let's get rid of this one for now. We'll add a new one and we'll say, I don't know, King J Talk Show. So we now add that, right? So the King J Talk Show. Now for us to show it, we have to place it somewhere. So we'll place it like here. And then obviously you got prompter only visible for you. So say for example, if I wanted to write something on there, let's say, all right, let's do a live show update. Okay, so live show. So there'll be certain things that it will show for me, but not on stream. Just for if there's something to read out about, which I think is very cool. I think that's a cool thing. Apply this to the people who replace things. Yeah, we don't want to replace that. It's just showing you what it could do. Video. So if you want to do intro, outro, so like there's tickers already here for countdowns and stuff. If you got like an intro to your show and stuff like that, that's all cool, and you could do that. You got green screen as well. So yeah, there's a bunch of things. Show names if you want to, audio status, audio warning if it's peaking, and all of those type of things that you could show your stream avatar as well. name. Yeah, this is cool. Full HD. If you want to record, you can record local recording as well. And then you got a bunch of apps. So like, you know, let your followers know that you're going live. Cloudbot, widgets as well. So all the widgets from Streamlabs you can use. I think this is pretty interesting. And then obviously news from Melon. You could do React, share screen, stuff like that as well. If you want 2 people in there, 3 people in, they will come in this way. And again, like I said, the design, if you want to change your background, you could change it to whatever you want to change it to. It's entirely up to you. So yeah, you got a bunch of default ones. And then yeah, that's it. So yeah, what you could use this for is, I honestly say podcasts. Like, if you got podcasts and you can't be bothered to do an overlay, like, this has everything sorted for you. And even just the feature where you could just talk amongst yourselves and not have it show in the stream chat is also amazing as well. I think it's such a great tool. So yeah, this is the Melon app. Obviously, I'll show you examples as well to like right now while we wrap this up. But yeah, again, you can refer a friend and get $20 off. This is it. This is all I can really. This is everything basically. Change the name. You could do everything else, and then yeah, once you go live, you can choose add destination, and these are the stuff that you can go live with: YouTube, Facebook page, Facebook group, LinkedIn personal, LinkedIn company, Twitch, Twitter, Trovo, and you could also add custom RTMP if it's for another website, or if you want to put it on your own website and you want to stream on your actual own website, you can. They will allow you to do that when you add custom RTMP. If you want to see the sound recording part, all you have to do is click the arrow going up. You got auto adjust mic volume, stereo audio, echo cancellation, and then you know your audio output and your audio input. And as you can see, it's got a volume meter here as well. And you got a bunch of things like reactions. Like, look, say for example something good is going on. So yeah, this has been me showcasing to you what Melon looks like. I hope you lot enjoyed this video, because I'm gonna be using this for podcasts. I think this is a very good tool. Like, it's got everything set up and stuff. So I think you lot should give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you lot get on. Other than that, take it easy, everyone. Peace.